Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I recently just won this amazing prize from Coastline Education. You can do the same if you take their Freaks and Geeks class. Their class is amazing, you win stuff from it, but you also learn so much information that is incredible. They give you the real information without trying to sell you on a product. So I figured I'd give you guys a quick look of what is in their inside bag. You get a full size of their Get Pure clarifying treatment, which is a must-have if you're doing any kind of chemical service or you're a colorist. You get the Two-Toe Silver Shampoo, which is a blonde shampoo. It's a little bit stronger than some of the other purple shampoos out there. You get their clarifying shampoo. And you get the Head Professional Retain Color Preserving Conditioner. It's a cleansing conditioner. And the Two-Toe Color Preserve Conditioner, which is just a regular nice conditioner. And you get 3 awesome full-size pumps. I want to just tell everyone that the Get Pure, is different than the clarifying shampoo. The Get Pure is a clarifying treatment, but the Two-Toe clarifying shampoo is something you're going to use each and every time you color cut your client. It'll take off all the junk, but if there's a heavy buildup of junk, you want to do a Get Pure treatment. So that's just what's in your must-have bag. They also offer a bigger size, which includes 50 volume developer. Their website, if you are a professional, sells other brands that are better to use behind the chair, and they won't cost you an arm and a leg. They have a business consultant there, Leo LaPierre, who is incredible. And they have Lisa Kelly, who is in my book, a genius, and she has been in this field for so long. She's real funny, real sassy, but you learn so much from her. And they have a whole team of people that are just really nice, really friendly, and they really care about the education and what you learn. So if you are a professional, please reach out to Coastline Education and see what they have there. If you like haircutting, you want to look up Franco Marino. He is their director of education, and he does the marriage of cut and color. He is a really cool guy. So I hope you're all staying safe and have a wonderful week.